Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today, we're spotlighting our pre-owned inventory with this 2014 Cadillac ATS 2.0T. Do a quick walk around here, and then we'll hop inside for the drive. So this is the all-wheel drive version. Nice amount of room in the back seat. All right. So now we're inside. We can kind of take a look around. Nice sunroof. Really nice. So the 2.0 liter engine is a turbocharged 4-cylinder, providing 272 horsepower, 260 pound-feet of torque. So it has plenty of thrust to propel this small performance sedan. And if that's not enough for you, they had a supercharged V6 ATS V, and that thing is a rocket ship. This is my first time driving the ATS, and I love it so far. It's a lot of fun, very nimble chassis. It's a really nice car. I have no complaints so far whatsoever. This specific one has just over 32,000 miles on it, which is low mileage for a 2014. So now onto some stuff that you really can't tell from video. The driving position is absolutely excellent. There's a ton of visibility all around. The seats are extremely comfortable. You can adjust the headrest and everything to just the way you want. All the switch gear is relatively easy to use. Even all the touch points here are working perfectly fine. No complaints there at all. Nice little cubby hole with your 12-volt power outlet there. Steering wheel is great to hold in your hands. No complaints there as well. Overall ride comfort is excellent. That's to be expected with a Cadillac. Back in the day, this was their entry-level sedan. And it's still really, really, really good. So as you can tell, a ton of power. I have no complaints. It's excellent. And in sport mode, it will keep the revs up based off of your driving. Really, really well done. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. A quick highlight of some of the pre-owned inventory that we have here at Quirk Automotive. But thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next video.